Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ada here again, and today we're going to be doing a cleaning motivation. You guys can see how messy my house is. I took a little break from YouTube, not like a break, but just a little because I just real life became so busy, so I just had to take a break. And yeah, thank God I'm back again and doing what I love doing again, of course. So if you're new on here, welcome to my channel. I am a mom of four and a wife, and I do cleaning motivation, organization. Um, I do everything, vlogs, lifestyle, motherhood in general, and all those good stuff. So if that looks like the kind of content you like, do go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click the red button, the red subscribe button down, and subscribe to my channel. And let's get started. Let's get cleaning. So if you guys can remember, I told you guys about my vacuum um, that messed up, that I messed up. I own up to that I messed up. Of course, by the time this video will be going up, I already got my Dyson vacuum, but I'm just updating you guys. I think in this video I used the older vacuum, but I already have my Dyson now. So in my in my new coming cleaning videos, you're going to be seeing the Dyson back again. What am I saying? Sorry, the Dyson is back. That's all I'm saying. The Dyson is back again, and yeah. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so I have my Dyson back again, and you guys, this is a funny story. Like, after several weeks of my Dyson not working, I tried and tried. So I waited for a while before trying to let me see like if it will work or something after dipping it in water, but then it did not work. So I decided to order a new part for that particular part, the motor head. I decided to order a new one, or the brush head thing. I decided to order a new one, and it was out of stock. Then I waited for so long. I gave them my email, and they said they will email me when once they have the order back in stock. I waited, and I don't know, I didn't get any email, and I was just getting impatient because I just did not like the other Shark vacuum that I was using. So one day I was just like, let me even see on their website and see what they have, and I just clicked on their website, and boom, they had it. And I was so mad because, like, why didn't they send me an email letting me know? I thought they promised they would send me an email. So I was just mad, and I ordered it immediately. Now, I waited for it to come here because that's another long wait. Tell me why I got my Dyson Motorhead, only for me to start using it, and I was like, you know what, let me give this old one a try one more time before I trash it, right? And then it works. Oh my goodness, like I just wasted my money for nothing, like for no reason. That I didn't find that funny, honestly. I was just shocked, surprised, like how did you not work all this while, and today of all days that's when you decided to work? Like, that don't make sense. And I'm looking at the new one, I'm looking at the old one, I'm like, oh my god, what am I supposed to do with these two things? So I just decided to keep it just in case, the other one messes up. And it's not a part that they always kind of like have in store, so I'm like, okay, let me just keep it. If the old one messes up again, I'll have another one handy. So that's what happened with my Dyson, but I'm happy to be using it again because when I used it, man, it did a whole lot more work than the Shark vacuum did, and it brought, like, the Dyson kind of like digs inside your carpet. I don't know how that works, but it just works real good, and it brings out all the dirt from deep inside your carpet. So that's one thing I love about it. That's one thing I love about it. And then the Shark one that I got to manage was actually corded, like it had the cords and all. So I was kind of like finding it difficult navigating with the cord and drawing the cord all over the place and all. I guess I'm just used to the Dyson now, so the Dyson is easier for me. Like, I can, take it apart, I can take it upstairs, I can take it downstairs without worrying about the cord and all of that. So that's what I love about the Dyson, and it does a great job. So you guys will be getting more videos now. I'm trying to be consistent this year. I know I've taken quite some breaks. I mean, it's not even that long. When last did I even post? Oh, I don't know. Well, it's not been that long. So, but I have videos lined up for the week, the month, and all of that. You guys, I have so many vlogs coming on. So many fun vlogs that I have. I've just been filming some important things that happened in our lives, and yeah, you guys will be seeing some vlogs and all of that. You guys will also see the new updates on my coffee table thing, because I've been talking about changing my coffee table. So you guys will be seeing the new updates in my next cleaning video or my next vlog, whichever one. You guys will be seeing the new coffee table, and I am excited. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this cleaning video. I did quite a cleaning there, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. And if you have any video suggestions, please leave that in the comment section down below. If you have any video ideas or any video like any type of video you would like to see, please leave that down in in the comment section. And any link to whatever you want to see, always let me know in the comment section, and I'll leave that in the description box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe if you haven't done so already. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.